Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be packing and moving. I'm going to have to fit my entire life in one box. Anyways, I have to make my hair, I have to get my domiciliary accounts bank cards. Hello. I'm going to make my hair this morning. I just washed it. It's partly dry. I don't know what I want to do yet. I think I cannot even. I'll decide when I get there. Anyways, I had to text my stylist about 2 days before to book her down because she's always really busy and her store is always like really full. But I'm so glad I was able to get a perfect match in my hair because I dyed my hair recently. I originally wanted to do like Ghana weaving, this 2-step kind of braids, but she convinced me to just do braids because apparently they last longer, which I don't honestly think so, but yeah. I just put my entire life into these boxes. One big, one small, 23 kg, 10 kg. I have a code. I've got that. I don't even know how I'm going to go. But so my flight is by 9. I have to leave here by 5 a.m. because traffic to get to Lagos. So I wouldn't miss my flight. So an update on my life right now. I got to the airport and apparently I was 6 minutes late for check-in. I was able to find my way and I started getting checked in, and apparently I needed to have the card I used to pay for the flight present with me, like to show them or something. When I used my sister's card, there was no way I was going to be able to get the card from her, so they denied me entry. So I had to come back home. I don't know if you can see my dark circles, but my skin is a mess. I didn't sleep enough. I'm really stressed, and this part of my face is like getting really dark again because of stress. I could not even cry. I didn't know what to do, what to say. Anyways, they said they're going to refund, and I booked another one for tomorrow morning. I mean, it's still the same time, but I haven't paid yet. They just put, like, they booked it and they were like, I would pay tomorrow. So let's see if I would make it, or if I would even end up like booking another one completely. Like, I don't know how to feel right now. I was so sad. I was so stressed because I hadn't slept well. I haven't been resting well. I was ill just like some days ago, so it has just been a lot for me. My head's pounding, my neck hurts, I have a runny nose, my eyes are in so much pain. Anyways, I'm back home. It is in another state. I could have stayed in like a hotel or something, but don't think I was in the right state of mind at that time. I just said, nah, I want to come home. And here I am. After 100 years, I'm finally able to fly. Jesus, this is like the worst experience of my life. This is a connecting flight, so honestly I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now, but I'm going inside. I'm going to ask that if we're to go to London, where are we supposed to stay? But then I think we landed earlier than we should have, but we left later by like 10 minutes. But we're going to land by like 9. 9, yes, 9, and it's currently 8, so I don't know. And the room is kind of a mess right now because I'm trying to unpack. I don't know if you can see that. I'm very hungry, I'm starving, so I want to order food. Sorry, I have already ordered food, but I don't know when the person is going to get here. I think in like 2 minutes. My lip was very dry during the plane ride, whatever, and it was starting to hurt. I just had to put lip oil there. The delivery guy isn't here yet. Ooh. I think this is a burger and chicken and fries. Then I'm going to watch some Netflix. Oh my god, I'm crying. This is like overhead bridge. Okay, so my lip is still injured. I have dinner here. I'm taking hot chocolate and pizza. Let me try. I was trying to use a lip mask, but my days. Anyways, I just had to come back to say that the Nigerians I met today are actually really, really, really nice people. Really nice. The one that when I booked the ride to Nigeria, was this Nigeria? It was really nice. When I got to my destination, she was like, "Oh, that I'm new here, right? That let me confirm the house. That he's going to wait for me. And once I'm sure that I'm safe and that's the right person, she just move at him and go." So when I did all of that, I was like, "Oh, okay." Then he left. That was really, really nice of him. Like he initiated like a whole conversation about Lagos, blah 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 blah. Then random people I met on the road, I kind of had to ask for directions when I was not exactly understanding what the map was telling me. Then my flatmate also, really nice people. Good morning. Today is, I think, 22nd or 23rd, one of the two. I have ordered a few stuff. Well, part of it hasn't come, but let me show you. Just a couple of these. I still have like 4 left to come. I got 2 more deliveries. Bed sheets and heated blankets. I still have my duvet is yet to come, my pillows. I have just like a few that came with it's just plain. Go here was just some food stuff, flour, cereal, oil, a bunch of all of that. Then the other one was food. Then I got this for